Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding or changing the background image on Safari for iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When using Safari, you can set a background image for the home page. You can even set your own custom image. This is a nice way to customize your Safari experience. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Scroll down the Safari homepage and tap Edit. Tap the toggle to the right of Background Image at the bottom of the options. You can now choose from one of the background images. They have this fun fast food one, for example. If you would like to use your own image as your background image, then tap the plus in the top left. You can now tap to select a photo from your gallery to use as your background image. You can remove the background image by tapping the toggle again, so that it is grey instead of green. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.